Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI, match 95 PS. Now the Blue Beauty's looking good and it has a top spec, including cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, alongside these 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels. Now the boot is a good size and it is very spacious. The interior has an eCall emergency call service, Volkswagen Connect, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.